pasok po tayo dyan. Yeah, this is our cemetery. We only stay over there and we don't want to get inside.
Is it dangerous?
Dangerous. Drug addicts and criminals are live over there. But praise the Lord because some of the tomb are located here. As you can see, those stone, they are tomb. Okay, they built some houses, and you know, they also live there.
Okay! Yeah, pitbull.
Yeah,
Tignan ko na mataob yung ano, yung punan nyo.
Ano ba nato?
Sarga mo na siya.
Di ba lang tayo? Bato.
As you can see, there's those open tomb. At the top of the apartment type grave or tomb, they live more than 50 families at the top. This is their way going to their house. As you can see, the wooden bridge, the wooden ladder over here. Sniff the smell of this. These are the, you know, the corpse or the body of the dead ones. So it is much worse than the garbage because all of this smell is coming from the dead bodies. So that's it. Okay? Hi, Nay. How are you? How are you?
Haraw.